So today we're making another anxiety ring. For this tutorial we'll need 20 gauge hard wire, about 10 centimeters, and beads of your choice. I like this cute pink glass beads. We also need a ring bundle. It's here. Put that in the middle, wrap around like that. Make sure it fits our finger, and with the excess you just make sure it's clean cut. We need flush cut pliers, and then we need our chain nose pliers to make a loop to finish the ring, like that. Here's some really cute ring. I need to just reshape it again. That. Here we have our super cute anxiety ring. Just gonna stack it like that next to my tiger's eye. I might just put it on that one here, and you can just play around with it. Really cute ring. Well, thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.